To stop your Galaxy Buds Live from reading incoming calls aloud on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to disable read notification aloud for the incoming call in the Galaxy Buds Live setting. To do so, while you are wearing your Galaxy Buds Live, go to the app screen. Find the wearable app. To find the app quickly, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. And then type the app name. Tap the app to open it. If this app doesn't display your Galaxy Buds Live, tap the three horizontal line icon and then select your Galaxy Buds Live. Tap earbud setting and then tap read notification aloud. Tap incoming call. As you can see in this screen that the on-off switch is grayed out. However, since this option is synced with read caller name aloud in the call setting, tap this option to directly go to the call setting. And then tap the green on-off switch until the switch turns gray to turn it off. Tap the back key. You can see that now the read notification aloud for the incoming call option has been disabled. With this setting, when there's an incoming call while you are wearing your Galaxy Buds Live, it will not read the incoming call aloud. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.